Hello there, welcome back to another exciting JavaScript tutorial. Today we're going to talk about the push method for arrays. Imagine you have a shopping list. The list represents an array in JavaScript and you want to add items to it as you go through the store. So you create an empty array to represent your shopping list like this. As you walk through the store, you find items you want to buy. For example, you find apples, bananas, and bread. To add this item to your shopping list, you can use the push method. So let's go over it. So I have shopping list dot push apples. Then still walking down the store, I could add shopping list dot push, let's say bananas, and I could add one last item, which is shopping list dot push bread, right? Each time you use the push method, it adds the item inside the array to the end of your shopping list. So each time you use the push method, the items are added to the end of the array. Now, if you want to see what is on your shopping list, you can simply print it to the console. So I have console.log shopping list. When I run this, I'm going to get 3 items in my array. So you can keep adding as many items as you want to your shopping list. The push oranges, and each time you console.log this, it keeps appending them to the end of the array. So imagine that you have, or you're building a web application or an online shopping application, something similar to Amazon, any shopping application that you know, and then you, at the click of a button, you want to add each item to cart. The push method comes in really handy. So I created this object with properties name, prices, and quantity, and I already have an array of an empty array which I named shopping cart. So at the click of each button, I want to add items to my cart. So I could do shopping cart dot push item 1. I could also do shopping cart dot push item 2. So to see what I have in my cart, I could console.log shopping cart. Let's see what that gives us. So I already have 2 objects in my array, right? I could also keep adding, as long as I call the push method, it keeps adding an item to the end of the shopping cart array. So I could still do shopping cart dot push item 3. For each push, it adds it to the end of the array. So for more JavaScript tutorial, please ensure to like, share, and subscribe.